When you open up the Byju's Learning app, you also have the analysis section right here. There are two portions of analysis that we give our students. One is the performance-based analysis, which explains to them how they're doing in all these different subjects, how much they have progressed overall and pertaining to each subject. They also see their different strengths. So we have classified concepts under memory, conceptual, application, analysis. So how this helps maybe a 9th or 10th standard child is if they're good in conceptual and application level learning, they can get into the sciences like engineering. If they're only good in analysis, they probably wouldn't do that well in engineering. They need to build up the application level focus, especially when it comes to entrance level exams. So those are the kind of data points that we're giving along with their learning part and their tests. This section here will help in career guidance. What I'd suggest each and every one of you to do is, if you're in the counseling mode with a parent or student, you can definitely take them through this. If you're curtailed for time, then probably this is the last thing you need to show. Now, if you go through the progress bar, what it shows you is the set of activities they've done over a period of time. So there's overall, there's last 2 weeks, there's a few months that they can track. It also showcases a few recommendations that we suggest. So sometimes the child is only going through maths. And we know at this period of time, in the month of May or June, the school and that particular board teaches the child so many chapters under different subjects. So we recommend those subjects and those topics to the child, just so that they don't focus on that subject that they hate or only learn the subject that they love. So these recommendations helps avoid that, right? Now, all the list of recent subjects, all of that is available. If they click on a link like continue learning, then they can go to any subject and get into the topic that they last left. So now we have gone through all these new features available in the Byju's Learning app. You have so many answers possible to that question, why do I learn with an app? What do I do with the Byju's Learning app? What is the difference that my child gets using the app for all these different subjects? So we always used to show content. Please keep doing that. But along with that, we can actually show them how learning is improved. All the journeys, all the tests, all the recommendations, the key focus areas are different ways in which the whole team is trying to help us improve sales, improve the whole understanding of the app when we meet students and parents. So I know you guys are doing a good job. Please keep it up. There's just one more module as part of a long training series that we'll try and help you get an insight onto the whole product development piece. So I hope you understand the product. I hope you use it. Please go through different parts, because what I showed or showcase right now is for one grade. You would find the same kind of learning journeys for different grades. So please ensure that you go through those grades, that set of list of topics that are available for a grade 6 student or a grade 9 student is also shared with you. But this video only talks about one grade. So please keep that in mind. No use in showing an 8th grade learning path that I showed right now to a 10th grade student. So please keep that in mind. Rest of things, you're anyway champions of sales. Please go ahead and do it.